Okay, year 7-8, I'm now going to show you how to do an accelerated reader quiz. It is very, very simple. You press student apps from the Winstanley website. Do not type accelerated reader into Google, go via the website, otherwise you go to the wrong website. You click there, and then it comes up with this page eventually. Your username is in year 7, 20, your first initial and then your surname. If you're in year 8, it is 19, your first initial and your surname. So for example, it would be this for a student who I know has left, and your password, helpfully, is password. There are one or two changes here, but the majority of you, that is true. When you press login, all right, that should then take you to the page. If it doesn't work, and about here where my mouse is, it says this account is locked, you just need to tell your English teacher and we'll be able to sort you out. So let's see, press login, and it will take you to our accelerated reader homepage. What you need to do here, do not click star reading. You do that 3 times a year. All right, that's your test to get your reading level. You press accelerated reader. Click there. That will then load up. You need to remember the book that you have read. Hopefully you're keeping a record of those on your Google Classroom with your document that was created for you. What you do is you search for the title or the author of your book. So I was looking at Frog Print Continued, and I'll press search. Now, some books have quite common titles, so make sure that you look at the cover and make sure it looks the same one. Now, this is the one that I like, so the Frog Print Continued, and I'm going to press Take Quiz. When that happens, very simply, you get a whole range of questions. Some are 5, some are 10, some of them are longer too. Just say, I read by myself, if that's true, it probably is, and press Start Quiz. That will then give you different questions that you answer, and you need 60% or more to pass the quiz. We then will see how many quizzes you passed, how many words you've read, and there'll be lots of prizes and rewards throughout the year to support you with that. Okay? So when that opens up, the princess doesn't happen because something, I've not read the book, I've got no idea, all right? But I've just picked one, random one, and go next. Okay, you need 60%, so in this one, that would be 3 correct answers because it's out of 5 with that. So I'm just going to click through randomly because I've never done this. I've got no idea what this book is at all. You will have read the book, so you will know exactly what to do, all right? And you probably work them out with that. How'd you like the book? Loved it. Brilliant. And then that will tell me how I did. I can't imagine I've done very well there. I got 2 out of 5, so I did not pass that quiz. Okay, you should all be able to pass those quizzes. You'll then get points. You'll get your words read as it goes with that. Okay, so that is very simply how you take an accelerated reader quiz. Do that as soon as you finish your book. Really, it should be 24 hours. Within 24 hours of finishing your book, that's when you do your quiz.